What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you straight through YouTube. Thank you so much for your interest in this lead, for clicking on this video and wanting to get the sauce. Guys, if this is the first time, you should consider hitting that subscribe button, smashing that notification bell, like, comment, and share for more ways to make money online. Now, this lead is for a database reliability engineer at Wavelo. It's a full-time position under the DevOps and system administration umbrella, and you can work from anywhere in the world. Now, the overview is as follows. You'll need to be comfortable working in a small team where you can thrive in a tight collaborative environment. And we're just jumping straight into it. All right. And you should also be ready and willing to take the ball and run on your own at times. Okay. So attention, site reliability engineers. This is a new area for SRE career or SRE career growth and opportunity to put Postgres skills to use with a modern platform. Training in latest tools, a perk. Okay. We are seeking to hire a keen and self-motivated individual who loves the internet and loves learning, sharing their knowledge, and applying new technologies to complex problems. This position can be completely remote, or you can work from one of our office locations located in Canada or the USA. So here's what you'll be doing for this role. So they're asking, do you want to be a database reliability engineer that builds and manages scalable, globally distributed systems? Or remote database reliability engineers make sure users are always connected to great local businesses by keeping Tucows fast and available as we continue to scale. Analyze solutions and implement best practices for our database cluster and its components. Help scale our databases in our OpenStack infrastructure. Work on observability of relevant database metrics and troubleshoot site issues using industry-leading tools like Datadog and Prometheus. Automate everything with Salt, Git, and Terraform. Develop custom tools when off-the-shelf solutions don't work at our scale. Participate in on-call rotations. Now, the type of person they're looking for, you should have 5+ years professional experience in a software engineering environment. Excuse me. Experience building application in Python or Ruby. Experience with continuous integration concepts and tools. Experience delivering highly available and reliable systems. Good communication skills, both verbal and written. Now, if you don't meet all those requirements, right, or you do meet those requirements, you could possibly also possess one of the following: familiarity with Docker and Kubernetes. I'm honestly not sure how to pronounce that, but software engineers know what that is. Experience working in an agile environment. Exposure to multiple programming languages. Those would be huge pluses. Now, the salary range for this opportunity is $120,000 to $140,000 per year, and most of my leads don't have a range, but this one does. So anyone anyone who's wondering what the range is, 120,000 to 140,000 per year. Okay. Now, at Tucows, which is the name of the company, right? If I didn't mention that before, I mentioned it, but I don't think you realize that was the name of the company. But what they stand for is protecting the open internet, narrowing the digital divide, and supporting fairness and equality. We also know that diversity drives innovation. We are committed to inclusion across race, religion, color, national origin, gender, sexual orientation, age, marital status, veteran status, or disability status. We celebrate multiple approaches and diverse points of view. We will ensure that individuals with disabilities are provided reasonable accommodation to participate in the job application or interview process, to perform essential job functions, and to receive other benefits and privileges of employment. Please contact us to request an accommodation. Here, and they actually left a link where it says here, if you see it's highlighted, right? But learn more about the company Tucows, our culture and employee benefits on our site following that link. And to apply for the role, you'll simply just press this button that says apply for the position, apply for this position, submit your documents, and you're good to go. Last thing I would add is look for official communication only from Tucows. Okay, so see what their official email address is and expect communication through that medium. Guys, thanks for watching. All the best to you, software engineers. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This has been the review of the Database Reliability Engineer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.